Welcome back to Noah's Kid City. Today we've got some exciting news. There was a bird saved yesterday morning. Good news. Craig, my dad, saved a robin yesterday morning. The robin was lonely and hurt. Look, he's lonely, he's got no one with him. But then my dad found him on the front of his car. Then, let's see how he kept him in a box. Then one of his friends seen him wiggling around in the box. So then, seen it was kind of fun doing this. This was a story. It's a good one. And then, took him out of the box, had a little check on him, then he zoomed out, flew all around my dad's office in work, and then boom, he was sitting on one of his stuff, and I hope he didn't have no poop. Yeah, so then he put him in the box, and then took him where he found him, lonely, but he was hurt, so then just kept him in the box for a little while. Then drove where he found him, or walked a little bit, and then you would want to see how fast he went, you know, really. You would really have to, because this one is so fast. You would never believe this, how fast this guy went. That was fast, wasn't it? Let's see this in slow motion. Now that was clear, so we could see it better, wasn't it? So lad, that was a fun video doing the news for you, so you know this fun story. And now the robin is all back, and when we was on the bike we saw another one. It wasn't a baby robin. It was like, if it was a baby robin it would have been injured, real injured. Especially if it was a real baby. But it was lucky that it was grown up. T-H-E L-E-E-N-D. End. The end. Bye. Well, hope you watch some more of the news with me, because we've got some more news to say some other days. Like and subscribe. But here's the pictures of Robin. This was how he started. Then he was in work with my dad like this. Felt better. That was some fabulous news, wasn't it? But a little bit sad. And if it was going to it would have been bad. And if the dad died and it was a girl one, that would have been ridiculous. That would have been real sad, because then if that one died, the grown-up one, because if the husband was dead, and the female was alive, and then she went weak, the baby would be all lost. So it was lucky that my dad saved the robin, wasn't it? Yeah, hope you like this video. Hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.